So here's how to turn on dark mode on Microsoft Word. It's very simple and quick thing to do. Let's get started. First of all, you need to tap on the file on the left upper side, and then from here on the bottom side you will see account options. So tap on the account, and then from here you will see office theme, which is now be selected as colorful. So if you just tap on the drop down menu, you'll see different kinds of options available here. So for my case, I'm going to make this in dark mode. So I will click on black and it will be turned on as a black mode. So that's how you can simply turn on dark mode in Microsoft Word. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works, and have a very good day.